Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to use Haiku deck. The first thing I want to point out is that up here in the corner there is a help option, so that if ever in the future you get lost or you're a little concerned about where something's located at, you can click on the question mark that's in this circle up here, and it will give you a screen that kind of overlays the top of your screen, and it shows you where things are located, so where you can change your theme, edit layouts, so on and so forth. So if you ever get lost, always just click that little question mark in the circle up here in the corner. To get rid of that, you can just click anywhere on the screen and that will go away. So the next thing I want to show is the themes. Up here there's a little tab, and it has, if you click on it, it drops down and all of these different themes show up. So some of them you have to pay for and others are free. So we're going to choose this origami theme for today. And then to minimize that, we can just click back here on the themes tab and it'll go back up. Next I want to talk about the text piece of it. Haiku deck is meant to be not a lot of text. You pick keywords to demonstrate what your point is, and then images to kind of help with that. So for example, today your guys' project is on evolution, and then you may want to include your name, and this you could use as your slide, as your title slide. So there are other options. You can have a bulleted list, a numbered list, or you could have a list of other key points. After you've done that, what you can do then is add a background. So if you click on the image here, you'll see that it gives you these options. First of all, it will give you keywords based off of what you've typed in. So if I were to click on evolution, what it will do is it will pull a variety of images from Creative Commons that deal with evolution. And so I could use one of those if I wanted to. I could also upload an image from someplace that I might have saved. So let's say I want to go ahead and I'll choose, I'll just choose this little monkey. He's kind of cute, so I'll put that there. One of the other things that you can do on this tab is you can, well, let's go on to the next tab. The next tab below that is the layout. So I can click on this and I can choose to put my layout wherever I like. So I can choose to have my title up at the top and my name down here at the bottom, or in the center at the bottom. I can choose to kind of put it wherever I see fit. Okay, and then the last thing on this page here that I want to show you is where you add your notes. And this is where you're going to answer the questions that your teacher has asked you to answer, and you're going to put it in, basically you're going to pull the information from the notes that you've been taking and put them in your own words. And then you'll just type them here in this category. To add slides, you can go down to the bottom right hand corner and click Add Slide, and then you can, if you want, to use any of the different layouts. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one, and I'm going to put Darwin, since he's one of the main characters that you are focusing on. And then I'm going to type in some information about Darwin. And then I'm going to add some images. One thing I do want to show you up here at this point is that you can add charts, or you could change just and put a solid color in the background. For this particular assignment, you're going to want to make sure that you find something that's relevant to your content. So I'm just going to pick this one for now, but you could save your images through a Google search and then upload them from this option right here, which a lot of you guys will be doing. Just one thing to caution you about: all of the images that you find, you will be having to add them to your bibliography in EasyBib, and if you need more information about that, you can see one of the librarians about how to do that. Again, I can change my layout, so I can put this information wherever I like, and then add my notes. When I'm done, I go up to the share option, and I have to type in a little bit of a description and then choose my category. and then I just click continue. It's going to ask you what kind of privacy setting you want. Go ahead and choose restricted, and that way only the people that you give the URL to will be able to view your deck. And then finally, you'll get this page, and it gives you a link and then ways that you can tweet it or export it out. For this particular project, you'll just need to copy this link, and then you can take that link and paste it into the Google Doc that's been provided, and that information is on your directions sheet that you were given. You click done, and then you're done. If you'd like to preview it before you share it or after you share it, you can just click on the play button that's in between the help key and the share key, and that will give you a full screen look at what your project looks like. So that's Haiku Deck, and I hope that you are able to get started and get what you want out of it. Thank you.